crafty friends. Happy Saturday. We're back.
We are. We missed you guys.
We did. It's been a little while since we've seen you for a release reveal, but we do have a new release coming this week.
Yes.
And I am super excited to share it with you today. It's a release we haven't, or a theme that we haven't explored for a while.
Yeah, I know.
And so we hope you're excited about it too. And we're glad to be back here.
Yes.
With you guys. So thanks
and you
for
guys
joining.
probably are wondering how we're in two spots at once because we're live right now. But guess what? Surprise!
This one is
too.
recorded, so it's not actually Saturday for us.
Yes.
But happy Saturday to you when you see this video. And hopefully you're joining us live today too for our season of crafting. If not, hop on over there because
Check out the cool stuff we got going on.
Yes. So let's get to it.
Yeah,
and
let's
talk
show
about
them
our
the themes.
release.
Yeah.
So I mentioned a theme that we haven't explored for a few years. And, you know, quite honestly, I think the reason why I haven't thought about this for a few years is because a lot of times as the end of the year comes and we want to wish somebody a happy new year, but we think, gosh, I have so much going on. I just can't think about making New Year's cards this year. And I know a lot of us really focus on Christmas cards, but this year we wanted to give a little love to New Year's cards. So whether you maybe didn't get your Christmas cards out and you just want to do New Year's cards, you could do that. But the great thing about the products we're going to share with you today is how simple they are. Super simple, just some quick foiling, a little bit of glitter cardstock, some glitz and glam for New Year's, and you can even get a fun little snarky message out to your friends to wish them a happy new year and family.
Yes,
Love
absolutely.
it. Okay, well, let's talk about, as I mentioned, simple is the theme. So we are going to talk about a new Foilet product. This is called Foilet Acetate Framed Fireworks. And we wanted to explore a new technique with this. A lot of times we want to get two different colors with our foil, and except for having to, you know, cut the little pieces of foil and arrange them where you want them and make sure you get equal amounts, it's really impossible to do when you have overlapping designs like these fireworks. So what we did was print these on acetate that is toner printed and can be foiled through a Mink or similar machine. And two panels work together to create the frame of fireworks around the outside. So you see in there, Whitney, how I've got
love this.
Gold fireworks and teal fireworks. Those are the two colors I chose to use on my Foilet panels. And this is actually the card we're going to be making on Tuesday. So you'll get to see this in action when we release the products. Now, to go along with this, we have some Insider's sentiments. You can see I'm using that insider on the outside of my card, which it is designed to fit. These Happy New Year insiders are designed to fit in that framed opening in the fireworks foilet. You can, again, foil these, and so you can see I foiled that with our hot pink foil, which looks fabulous and fun. You can even make this into a shaker card, which I did not do, but if you want to do more, you can, or if you want to keep it really simple, just some foiling and adhering, added a few stars, and the sentiments in here, you get 4 each of 3 different ones. Cheers to a new year, wishing you a year of everlasting joy. New year, new opportunities, same amazing you.
Oh, that's
so
great.
those are fabulous, right? Let's look at another one that features gold and silver fireworks on the acetate. And then that same hot pink, that's going to be the color of our New Year's celebration this year, because a lot of us use that fun hot pink color as a pop to go with the blacks and golds and silvers that you often see around New Year's. So a fun way to explore dual colored foiling with our new acetate framed fireworks.
I'm excited to see you use this one on the live because I know we've had a lot of questions about how does acetate foil? Are there any special things? So I'm excited to hear your tips and tricks.
Yeah.
How to put that all together.
It will be informational, so make
Good.
sure you join us. Now, when it comes to another foiling product, we couldn't stop there, so we've got our Foilet Shine On New Year.
Ooh.
Still loving our disco balls.
Yes.
So we decided to explore the disco ball theme as an option with this foilet. Now you can see this one just has the numbers 2026. You can actually fit the disco ball over the top of it, or there are panels with the disco ball already printed on them. So if I flip this over, you get 4 each of these 3 panels. There are 4 of them with the disco ball printed, and then you get 8 with the 2026 on there. You can use our Disco Vibes layering stencil to color that disco ball if you have that one or you want to pick it up. You can also use our Disco Vibes die set to die cut the lines of the disco ball like Susan did on her project. So she's actually going to be making this one on Thursday. And then over here we have that classic black and gold and silver look. That is from Emily Midlowski. I love the foiled panels on these. Just make them pop, and they scream New Year's, really.
Yes. And it's so simple. I love how the foil just makes it so easy, and then you just add some glitz and some glam to it. Put some embellishments on there.
Add a couple embellishments. You can see both of them used our Bits and Pieces Cheers collection, which comes with these cute little champagne glasses.
Oh, fun.
And the little stars that Emily used are in that same little Bits and Pieces set. So a great one to add on if you don't already have that set of sequins from our collection. So there you have Shine On New Year. Now we wanted to give you one of the things we don't have in our collection that you need when you're making a New Year's card is a New Year stamp. So this one says Happy New Year. It's a stamp and die combo. And so you get the stamp and the die in the same package. It is a nice big size. If you don't have the insiders panels to go in here, then Happy New Year is also designed to fit in the center of that fireworks frame. So you can use it in that way. Or let's take a look at how Emily used it on a couple of other cards. Again, she's got some of our, I think these are our gold and holographic stars that release during our birthday and Christmas releases, and they look so fun in there, along with our Ray's cutting plate or piercing plate. Isn't that fun? And our disco cardstock in the background. So much glitz on these cards with that pop of the big Happy New Year in the center, and again, really simple. Nothing too difficult about this. You could get, mass produce 6 to 10 cards in a day's time. So, or a few hours, depending on how fast you are. All right, so there you have Happy New Year. And then this is something we've been wanting in our collection, and this was a perfect time to bring it out. So this is called Pixie Dust, and it is a 6x6 rubber stamp set. So look at all those little pixie pieces on that background. Can't you see using this even with the disco balls?
Yes.
Birthday cards. Again, perfect for New Year's, any kind of celebration, maybe even a starry, twinkly night. So I think this one is really fun and going to be used a lot in our collection. So Sue decided to pair the Pixie Dust stamp in the background with the Happy New Year that I just shared with you. And again, we've got that glitz and glam theme going on with all the glitter cardstock and glittered embossing powders, and we've got those chunky holographic glitter stars. So super fun. I feel like we just can't do these cards justice on a video, but they are so super sparkly and shiny, and I love them. So one last thing that we have here today, I mentioned.
One makes me giggle.
I know, it's great. I mentioned a Snarky option for those of you that like to get a little cheeky with your friends and family. So this one is called the Insider's Snarky New Year. Now these sentiments, you might find one that fits in the opening of this frame, but they were not designed to go in here the same way that the other Insiders panels were. So let's pull these out and read them together because again, they do make us giggle. These are foilable, they're toner printed. Here's to another 365 chances to forget what day it is.
I literally just said that like 10 minutes ago. What day is it?
Yes.
Are we in 2025 or 2026? I keep bouncing between the two calendars.
Yes. This time of year, as we're planning into the new year, our new releases, and we're working in different spreadsheets, and in my brain, I'm like, we're releasing 2027 calendars next year in 2026. So my brain, it just is in all the years. But we also can't remember what day it is.
We can't. It's fine.
So you're going to get 3 of those. Then we have Cheers to Another Year of Questionable Decisions. And then we've got here's to a new year, same chaos, better snacks.
That's me, 100%. Here's my New Year's resolution: better snacks.
Better snacks.
Same chaos. It's always going to be chaos with kids. So
yes, I love that resolution. It feels like one I could actually attain instead of give up on when February hits. Yep. So make better snacks your New Year's resolution this year.
You heard it here first.
I did think this one was fun. I don't know if anybody else has kids or grandkids that love the Snackle box, but I thought maybe a little tag filling a Snackle box with snacks and then putting a little here's to a new year, better snacks tag on the Snackle box and giving it as a little gift. Especially, we're not a family that stays up till midnight. Are you, Whitney?
No.
Okay. So this, even though it is sugar, might be enough to get my kids to actually
stay.
No, go to bed.
Go to bed.
Yes. I already gave you your gift. We can just pretend it's midnight. Good night.
Yep. I'm headed to bed at like 9. I'm like, Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year. See you tomorrow. All right, then this one says 2026, because apparently we're still doing this.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, I love it. So those are in the Insider's Snarky New Year.
Fun.
So there you have it. Let me bring back all of our items here because our special offer for this release is pretty big. So I'm going to show you everything because our special is when you purchase our entire new release, which would include these products, these 6 products, you will get 20% off the bundle.
Ooh.
So pretty good deal as we come into Black Friday. That gives you an early time to shop at that 20% off by grabbing all of these items. So
I'm excited about New Year's now.
I know. That's what Susan
Yes.
said, well, darn it, Taylor, now I need to make New Year's cards too because this is so fun. So I'm glad people are enjoying it. The design team has enjoyed these products, and they're going to, hopefully, they're telling me they're going to make New Year's cards this year, because I think it's just another way to say, hey, I'm thinking of you. It's a new year. Just wanted to send you a card. So I love it. All right. Well, thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you on Tuesday for the live at 10 a.m. Central. Bye, everybody. Bye.